Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Drop. You know, long time no see. Unfortunately, last time I was hitting y'all up, I was out on the bike. Still got the bike and everything, you know, just ain't posting no content lately. Been working like hell. Also working. That's what we're gonna be doing today. Got some new project, and actually, let's just go ahead cold start it. Let y'all listen to it. I know the neighbors hate this, hear me coming or going. But we got a new project. We about to head to the auto store because I need to go pick up some fuel line disconnect tools and a couple of other little small items. And when I get back to the crib, actually I'm gonna go to my parents' crib. When I get to the crib, I'm gonna show y'all a little run around of what the hell I picked up, how I picked it up, and I guess I just have y'all listen to me while I do my work. I ain't doing no more than cleaning up the Evap system, so anybody who got one of these vehicles, you know, feel free to watch along. You may encounter this issue one day, and hell, now you know how to fix it. Here go the intro. Y'all say something.
I know it's storming right now, but we gon' see some better days. Back in the booth, and that's the only way I can meditate. Off the guns and lean, but thought process is hella straight. Went through some shit, had to peep, play, and reevaluate. Past couple days, niggas been pushing me like hell. Got they ass beat mad, cause we ain't in the cell. Fuck, Lord, I need you, cause later call on dudes need help. Fighting with myself, still putting shit to rest.
I ain't even gonna try and talk over it because it is obnoxious. This thing is completely damn near open header right now. But I'll cut y'all on at the crib and show y'all what's going on. Alright, here we go. I managed to trade off the Ford Ranger for an Escalade. And not just any Escalade. One of them 04 ESVs. It's got that 6.0 and all-wheel drive in it. That's pretty clean. I mean, it's got a little rust spot right there. Mostly paint scratches, not even a lot of dents and dings. I do gotta find that damn third brake light. I know that's gonna be expensive. This the only little dent I've noticed. Might try and pop that out. Y'all know my basketball method worked on the Ranger. But yeah, it's a new little pickup project. Of course, as you heard in the beginning of the video, the shit is 100%. I mean, it's basically open header. I had to cut the catalytic converters out of it. They were clawed. But after I cut the cats out, it got all the power back. It opened up. It ran well. So we off to a good start. And as you see, I basically drove it to the auto store in order to go pick up the fuel line tools. Speaking of fuel line, that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be cleaning out the Evap system because I found for the whole Evap system to be like full of charcoal and it's real slow to fill up gas. Another thing I may check out while I'm up under there is seeing if I can delete these damn running boards. It's a lot of chrome on this thing. It just ain't me. Some of this chrome is gonna have to go for real. It's like this window, this top pillar, these running boards. Yeah, that's gonna have to go. But before we even get on the cosmetic things like that, I know, as I said, I need to do the Evap system. And I also need to check out this hub. In the meantime, I'm going to just keep working the little small things to get it back, you know, daily driver, road ready. And y'all can chill with me while I get working on this thing. Let me go ahead and apologize right now. This is a lot of fucking vehicle to shoot. I realize I'm standing too close. I got to be out. I'm all the way across the damn street just to get a good shot on it. Sheesh. This is tough. Yep. Now we're up under here. I'm about to fight with a couple of different things. I think one of the first things I'm gonna do is drop and release that Evap box back there. And then I'm gonna focus on my tank straps. Ugh.
Get off there. I know for a fact the tank straps at 15. Can I get this Evap box loose though? I already got the connector unplugged. This bolt number 1. Trying to get the wedge run over. Oh shit, bolt number 2 is in a tight spot there. Let's try this. Maybe I don't need the long ass extension. Hey, what the fuck? You get your ass on there. Come on, you motherfucker. Ah, that's the little hands. Evap box is loose. Alright, sit in right there. These tank straps, I know for a fact. It's just ah shit. I stabbed myself in the chest with the damn extension. Am I going to drop this tank on myself? I don't know. Maybe. How much is it?
This bitch. Yeah, I might need to get another jack up under this before I thought I had ran this bitch down though. Took some time, but I finally got the tank down and out. We're gonna be cleaning out this charcoal canister right here, the vapor canister, and some of these lines, and seeing if that'll help this damn thing actually take some gasoline and not be so slow to where I gotta stop like every 5 or 10 cents. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. So what I'm gonna be doing here is back blowing these lines, and watch this. Shooting charcoal like I hear it. It's another one I need to plug off. I think the one beside it. If y'all watch them lines right there, I'm gonna have my little bro record it. Why? Back blow on them. You'll see all the charcoal coming out. You got it? Where is it at? It's coming out this line up here too. Hear it no more though. All right, y'all, we done blowing all the lines out. As you can see, charcoal bits everywhere. There's a fucking rust hole there. Gotta fix that, homie. But yeah, charcoal bits everywhere. I don't hear it in the tank lines no more, and I blew out all the lines on the car. So yeah, we should be pretty set up now. I even cleaned out the charcoal canister. It's a couple little bitty bits in there, but you ain't gonna get it completely clean. That's a $30 part if it still don't work. But I don't think that that's gonna be the problem if it don't want to fill up gas. Hopefully, as I said, all of this blowing out the lines, that charcoal and shit, will actually allow it to take gas in the tank. And can y'all believe this, bro? I'm fighting to put gas in this big motherfucker. Most people wouldn't even want to put gas in here. I'm trying to fight in order to put gas in here. But yeah, we're gonna finish this up, and I'm gonna drain some of this gas out this tank. I got a couple buckets around here I'm about to fill up. I'm getting some of this damn gas out this tank before I try and pick it back up. And we're gonna pray and hope that it take the gas through a damn funnel and gas can. That's gonna be the first test. If it can take it through a funnel and gas can, it should be able to take a few dollars at the pump. So I'll cut y'all back on once I figure it out, get some of this gas drained and get the tank back up. All right, y'all, tank's back up in the car. It seemed to be taking gas, you feel me? We done got a couple gallons in it, and it ain't been an hour or so. So I was gonna take it to the gas station in this video and shoot that, but I'm not going to be able to. As you can see, I got this front passenger side up and in the air. I kept hearing a noise over here, and/or I start feeling it in the suspension. And if you look right here, that hub's gone bad, bearings and all. So we gonna get that replaced. Might as well just go ahead, do both of them at the same time, both hubs, slap them shits on there. And it looks like I saved myself about $100 by not having to purchase a whole new Evap system, because in the end of the day, I probably still would have been in the same boat because of the clogged up lines. As you heard, the canister itself wasn't really clogged. I had already pulled it off and cleaned it up. And it did take a little bit more gas, but now that I've cleaned the lines out, like I said, we done dropped like 5 gallons in it right now within the past 2 to 3 minutes. It wouldn't have done that at the pump. It would have took about 10 minutes just to take about 5 gallons. So I know for a fact it should do right whenever I get it to the gas station. Y'all stay tuned, and please, please, please subscribe. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit more of this car, or this truck. Let me stop calling it a car. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit more of this truck on the inside and things, you know. Right about now, it's still pretty junky. I ain't got a chance to really give it a full detail, make it my own. But it's got more perks than your neighborhood drug dealer, I'm telling you. That's a wire harness. I found a couple connectors up under the hood. So since I already had a LS harness, I'm just swapping them on. If I see them, they broke, they deteriorated, they getting swapped on. Yeah, 3rd row seat. I'm possibly gonna take it out, do a little sound system build back there. Bro, we got a fucking TV in here. TV, rear ventilation, air, like, it's a real clean truck, man, real clean truck. It just came with its little set of issues, so looks like one of my next videos is gonna be handling this hub, getting the hub right on it, and possibly time to do a basic little oil change, driveline fluids, you feel me? Because I know for a fact, I'm looking at the driveline fluids, they ain't never been done. You still got stock markings on them, and this thing got like 250,000 miles. So we're gonna handle that and see what happened, because y'all know how these 4L60s, 4L65s are. You're liable to touch them and they decide to go crazy. And if that happen, then fuck it. I send the transmission off to get built for this. It's worth it. As y'all can see, man, all these damn Suburbans, man. We trying to get like Sunday service around here. Yeah, y'all stay tuned though. Subscribe to the channel. I appreciate y'all watching the video, and I see y'all in the next one.